Add the strawberries, 1/2 cup lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, and a pinch of fine salt to a blender. Pour in all of the warm syrup, then blend on high until completely smooth, about 45 to 60 seconds. Set a fine mesh strainer over a large bowl and strain the puree, pressing with a spatula to remove seeds. Discard the seeds. Pour the strained mixture into a shallow metal baking dish and spread it into an even layer. Freeze for 45 minutes until the edges begin to firm up. Scrape the icy edges into the center with a fork, break up large crystals, and spread the mixture flat again. Return the pan to the freezer for 30 minutes, then scrape and fluff again with the fork. Freeze for another 30 to 60 minutes, scraping once more until light, fluffy crystals form across the pan. Scoop the granita into 4 dessert cups. Garnish each serving with the 8 fresh mint leaves and serve immediately. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this icy granita, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get every new recipe. See you next time.